So this is the fourth week after the repair of the biceps that apparently tore off the bone. Last week mostly focused on extending the arm. Still some problems with the pronation and supination of the arm. Interestingly enough, I misstepped last week with the arm in this position, like this, and yeah, major irritation in this area of the arm, not actually in the bicep itself or in the tendon, but in this area. I suppose it's related to potentially three things. That is the scarring tissue, where there might be some wires at the bottom still, the metal plate that is somewhere on this side of the arm, or the nerve that is actually sitting in this location. This one seems to be a bit irritated, potentially due to the continuously disposition of the arm, and sometimes when you extend it, it blocks a bit, twist the arm a bit, and then it starts releasing again. You can move to full extension. So in the meantime, I achieved more or less full extension with the arm like this. That is not a problem. When you turn it, that's not yet to full extension, but we're on our way apparently. Just to give you a comparison for the pronation and supination between the two arms, this is actually how far it goes, and then going to the other side, you see the difference. So this one even can go a bit further, that one is still stuck there. So here, this looks pretty okay, well on our way, just still a bit of deviation. Also in extending the arm, I went to to another doctor yesterday for a checkup, and there's they give about the 10% before full extension. So overall, what I can say is some irritation here. The numbness in the arm is still there, especially when you're exercising. It goes up until the thumb, but everything moves okay, hand moves, I can work the arm, everything is fine there. So I hope the tendon is still attached. You can see the scarring tissue, which looks pretty nicely healed up. At least good to get some movement again, so the muscle gets some more blood. What I noticed when you were doing these exercises for extending the arm, pronating and supinating the arm, it helps to be on a treadmill or a bike, not a treadmill because you cannot run with an arm like that, but on an exercise bike. Then you warm up. Once the blood starts flowing, these muscles get more relaxed, and I feel it's more easy to start stretching the arm, to move the arm without any pain actually. When I'm doing it cold, you feel some tension. Also, for example, in the morning when you wake up, you have been sleeping like this, stretching the arm it's still a bit difficult because it has set a bit, and you need to stretch the muscle again. The discomfort during the nights is basically minor. It's actually the first night I slept 7 hours in a row. Before that it was 5 hours, and before that was just a couple of hours. So the pain seems to be subsiding. That means, I think, first of all, it's healing in the bone. Secondly, the scar tissue is healing. Thirdly, the muscles are getting a bit more relaxed after being fiddled around with. I guess also the nerve is a bit better. The only thing that concerns me is this nerve here in this part, which has a feeling of being blocked sometimes, and then the arms it gets stuck. When you try to push it through, it will violently jump upwards, which causes irritation here in this part of the muscle. But overall, I think pretty happy about the surgery. Very happy with the mobility. The discomfort of the pain is, it's a small price to pay for a mobile arm in 6 weeks after surgery. So that is, let's say, a minor effort on my side. So talk to you again in a week.